Hello, now I will explain how to create a Proforma invoice or quotation in Vatrix ERP. For that, go to Proforma document, enter the customer details using customer code, name or contact number. I will select John as my customer. Next, enter the item details. For example, I will select this item code 1001 and enter the quantity. I will add another item also. You can add another item by clicking on the enter key. And I will enter the quantity as well as price. Next, click on save and click on approve. A Proforma document number is generated. The Proforma document is successfully completed. You can now print this document by clicking on the print button. You can also print this Proforma document as quotation or invoice by going to file and selecting print Proforma invoice or print quotation or print AMC or print as job card. You can choose different format as per your requirement. For example, if I want to print this as quotation, I will go to print quotation and I will click on print. This is how you create a Proforma invoice or quotation in Vatrix ERP. Thank you.